You didn't even bring Ace. Where's Ace?
Where's
Oh,
Ace?
my
Where's
gosh,
Amanda?
I just-
Where's everybody? Here, hold that camera.
Yeah,
My God. Yeah.
Is it
I knew
recording?
Ace when he was just a little pup. He's a big dog now.
He is awesome. And you know, the older he gets, he's getting more sentimental.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah. He gets on my bed, and I say, you know you're not supposed to be on that bed. He'll look at me.
I got, come on,
Oh,
man.
yeah, you're going to do this to me now?
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, he's rotten. He's getting
Oh my
rotten.
God! Come
Yeah.
on in here, Randy. Let's take a picture, man. Babe, you got to get me and Randy now.
All right.
Is this your daughter?
That's my wife.
Stop it.
Hey,
What you doing?
Now, can I take a picture and record at the same time?
Huh?
Can I take a picture and record at the same time?
No. But we got it. We'll get a thing on there. She's got a
Okay.
picture. Aw.
All right.
Good deal.
You guys are good.
This is going to go on YouTube today.
wonderful.
Yes.
Man,
Thank you.
I tell you,
So where are you
and-
from?
We're from here.
Okay.
We're from here. And when we started looking at the tiny home thing, I looked at the one, I forget the name of it, Tiny Mountain Homes, I think it was. I looked at him, I'm like, okay. Then I accidentally got to your channel, and I saw that red hen.
That was it, wasn't it?
That was the end, man. And we go so far back, man. Like the dream, and I saw the dream. And then I saw the sweet talk. Randy, you're killing me, man. I was like, I like that one, and I like that one. And I
Oh,
said,
yeah.
well, maybe I can take a little bit from this one and,
Yeah.
and add this one on there.
And you don't know what
And
to
then-
do.
And then when I think I got it, you come up with another one.
God.
I'm like, Randy, why you sweet?
It is, isn't it? I'm just always trying to keep the energy in the life, and I start thinking, tweaking them, and it's like the RJO and the Freedom come out of the hand, and then this one here, the Incredibox, is
Yeah, this is a new one, and then I saw the rain, and because of your video, I instantly recognized as the rain catchment center,
Yeah.
because you're the only one that does that I know of.
really. I didn't even think of that.
I don't know anyone else that does that, and it's because of you, Randy. That when I saw that, I'm like,
Yeah.
that, and then when she came back and said, Randy's here, I'm like, okay, that makes sense now. That makes sense.
You didn't know we were here?
I had no idea. I had no
Really?
idea, man. And now my day is
That's cool.
this guy. I mean, your story, Randy. First of all, I kind of teared up when I was listening to your story. I'm like, this guy has bounced back, lost it all, came back twice as strong, and now, as far as I'm concerned, you're a leader in this industry. Absolute leader in this industry.
Wow.
Yeah, to meet you, this is big time celeb for me. That's the way I feel about you, Randy. And I've been watching you and Amanda and Lil Ace.
Yeah.
Before you started clearing the land to have the beach and the forest and all that, Randy, I go back, man. With you,
Wow. And it kept your interest.
dude. Absolutely, it did. Absolutely, it did. And then I'm sorry, I forgot your
Tim.
name. Tim.
He got
told
me
Yeah,
crying.
Tim.
He got me crying.
You know, Tim told me that you don't do the sweet tart anymore, or the red hen anymore. You don't make those anymore. And I was like,
Well, we named it, that turned into the Freedom
Yeah.
style home.
Right.
And then we had the RJO. And so now what I do is the model home. It is it's that house, like the Austin is that house, but it's finished out.
Okay.
It's got the LP siding on, it's got the painted walls. It is ready to move in.
Okay.
And this took the place of the original $15,000 RJO.
Yeah.
That's why we got the Incredibox. Because when we started, everybody started adding more and more to the Incredibox or the RJO and the Freedom. I said, man, we're losing vision of our $20,000 home. And that's why I said, I got to come up and keep a house at 20 grand. And that's I'm going to build this Incredibox. Everybody thought I lost my mind. I told the man, I said, how many do you think we can sell? Maybe 25 or something like that. I said, I'm going for 100. I know I want to sell 100, you know. And everybody off was saying 10, 15, 20. I would say Tom maybe said 100 with me. And we sold 100.
See? Yeah. No surprise here.
Didn't know nothing. I didn't know if the world would like it, know it. But I thought for 20 grand, I'm going to get everybody in this and show them what it's all about.
Well, I can't wait to get in. I saw it on I said, Randy's doing this thing called the Incredibox. What is that? And I saw it on YouTube, and I'm like, YouTube doesn't really do justice. Now I can see it live.
Have you been inside?
I have not. I have not. I can't wait, man. But I had
What you got going up on your
Marine
head?
Corps. Marine Corps. So, yeah. So let's see. So these are all my units.
Can you get in there and see all that? Are you rolling?
This is 1st Marine Division. That was my first unit. That was in California.
Okay.
Then I went from there to Okinawa, Japan. That was 3rd Marine Division. And then I ended my career at New Orleans. That's 4th Marine Division right there. So
okay.
I've been through all 3 divisions, you know, and that was my rank. I was a sergeant, you know, and so, yeah.
Man, how long were you in?
I was in almost 10 years. Wow. Almost 10 years.
You're
And,
solid as a rock.
and I love it. I'm an old guy. You and I, man, I'm 65, man.
65. Isn't that
Unbelievable.
beautiful? And she's about 33,
Yeah, 25, but don't
25. That's right.
That's good. You brought your daughter. That's
I
good.
know.
So I'm going to tell you her age. She's 46.
Really? 46.
46. Yeah, yeah. And we've been married 3 years. Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You look awesome.
And so she's on this journey with me. And when can you meet a woman that's going to go on this journey with
Oh, she's a jewel.
you? Man, tell me. Tell me.
Isn't that something?
So, Randy, may I have your autograph, sir?
Oh, stop!
I am so. You have
Where's
no
my pen?
idea.
Where's
I
my
am so-
pen at here?
I am so serious, man. I gotta.
Stop
This
it.
is getting. Are you
I've
kidding me?
never given an autograph.
Dadgummit.
I'm gonna get watch
I'll
this.
tell you what.
Excuse me, sir. Yep.
I'll tell you what.
So, what is is it
Yeah.
like mountains?
Oh, and that's the other
or-
thing too, Randy.
So you just a mountain?
What's today?
We now have our own piece of land.
Fourth.
here.
What's today's date?
December 4th.
December 4th?
Yeah. So you've got the community that was where we
I don't know. I don't know what to write. I've never done one before.
That's all right.
Thank you, man.
Man, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I love you.
Same here.
You know, and we'll be in contact, man. But I'm going to go on this Incredibox right now. Like I said, man,
You're quite the guy. man.
You-
Thank you, man.
this guy. You're my hero, dude.
Oh, you don't. That makes me.
Sad
Yeah, we just
because we didn't have any rent. I kept saying, "Where are we going to put it?" You know?
we just purchased about a year ago. We purchased 8 acres of land in Kingman, Arizona.
So they're going to.
Okay. King.
That's they're from here going to Vegas.
Right.
Okay, and you got to go through Vegas to get to, or got to go through Kingman to get to Vegas. Yeah, and our land is right off of historical Highway 66. Right off of
Now,
Route
do you have to
66.
be off grid? You got electricity and
Off grid,
everything?
man. And see, that's the other thing about you, man. You can do off grid or on. I'm like, this is the guy.
Yep. Well, he's like, you need it, let's do it. And I'm like, that's why when we do off grid and all that, we want to sell homes. I'm not trying to get rich off grid. I said, you need it, let's put it on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Good. So you're going to have all off grid.
All off grid.
Beautiful.
And I have the option of being on grid, but I want to be off grid. I've been on grid all my life. I want to be off
Get ready, right?
Yep.
I'm hearing everybody's talking about 2023.
You know, I think
Buckle
like
up.
this. If you know, when the feces strikes the oscillating mechanism, I want to already have a place to go. You know what I'm saying?
I like that.
Yeah, well, that's the edited version.
Exactly, I like that. Oh,
So,
I'm good.
Randy, I won't monopolize your time. Thank you so much, my friend. You know, Randy, I love you, brother.
Same here,
Thank you
man.
so much, man.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go check it out.
It was a pleasure. All right, thank you. See ya.
I just want a picture.
A picture.
You sell that.
You got a camera?
There
A phone?
is my photograph.
Aw. Here you go. How's that?
That's really
Thank you.
cool. Incredible.
Are you from here?
I'm from here. Yeah, we've been watching your show forever with, what's her name?
What?
Amanda.
Amanda? You've been watching her?
Oh, yeah, she's so much fun.
Aw. Yeah, everybody's missing her. Yep,
Yes.
she's taking a break, you know. Been a long 8 years. Been a big journey.
Would you look excited to say? You got excited.
Well, thank you.
It's just really cool. And so we're looking at this house.
Yeah.
And so this one is also offered as off grid. Is that size?
This is off grid, yeah. We can do it on grid, off grid, any kind of package you want. Yeah. Yeah, solar. Now, off-grid is your solar, but it also includes a compost toilet, tankless water heater, water catchment, all that. That's what off-grid is.
We should have brought like a duster so people who not inside could just pick it up.
You're sweet.
Oh, you're
Thank
sweet.
you.
Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Have you been inside?
Yes, almost had lunch.
Are you with her?
I am 36 years with her.
Wow. And you all live in the local area?
Yes, here in Glendale.
We're about 20 minutes away.
And what are you going to do with this if you buy one?
That's the problem
Well,
we're having.
that's the challenge we're facing. Lisa Davenport, she's one of your independent
Okay,
salespeople.
yeah.
So she's
we want to move it down to Southern Arizona.
Yeah.
Cochise County.
Yeah.
Cochise County has this strange rule that it has to be 296 square feet to be allowed. So she's talking to people and trying to work that out so they can
Okay.
get us a variance. And
I
change
know
the
exactly where
rules.
Cochise Shop. Is there a place called Portal
Yes.
down there?
Yes.
I remodeled a house in Portal years ago.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful place because it's a high elevation and it was just so gorgeous. Yeah, Cochise County. That's where Geronimo held on.
Yes.
Yep.
So they
Strong.
get lands, properties, but then you want to keep this like that.
Nice. Well, keep me posted of how all that works out. You know? Yeah, because that's interesting. If she can change it, or if you
Because
get
she
a
can
variance.
get it changed and
Yeah.
boom.
Good.
So,
And that's her motivation.
Yeah, exactly.
So she's doing it right.
Are you gonna retire there? You think?
yeah.
Can you tell I'm at the retirement?
No, I can't tell. Look at her.
Yeah, she's
Beautiful.
She's way younger.
I'm older, actually. I'm young. So, is it true that you live in one of these?
Pardon
Is
me?
your home one of these?
I have one that's 16 foot long,
Okay.
4 foot shorter than that is my personal home.
So, what would you say, honestly, is the thing that you hate about living in a town?
Thing I
Or what-
hated?
Yes. You see that you was like, well, it's great, but if
Closet space. That's my only. You know, this one you can have more of a closet space. You can come up with an armoire or a dresser or something. You have room in here. Mine is now I have storage under my bed. I have storage above the bathroom, but I have nowhere really to hang anything. A nice dress shirt, and I don't have many, but I know that would be my only hang up right there.
oh,
But other than that,
we could
my,
put one outside. Okay.
you can. You're like, if I was established, like fully where I want to live, I'm going to have a porch. And I'd probably put a roof over it. And that way, I know it would be outside, but I could put a closet out and hang my clothes. You know, in a nice closet, it would look nice. But that's the only thing, is when you get to where, you're going to have a nice jacket, your purse, and there's some stuff that needs to hang up. The storage is, it's because it's small. Any home we have here is because if you do put a closet, you're losing a lot of space,
That's right.
and I don't want to lose all the space just for a closet.
Well, she did, where you had the fridge, she was sharing her home, and she said she did some of these closet hangers.
Well, there she is right now.
Oh, what was that you
Oh,
did on
yeah.
yours?
Yeah, it's
For the clothes.
cubbies that I put on a dowel, like those closet organizers that
Yeah.
have little cubbies that are cloth, and they just hang there and make a full closet.
They're
storage.
exposed, they're exposed where you can just
Sure.
see them from the room.
Yeah.
If that's what you like. I like to have things hidden in a cabinet or
Yeah.
something, but
Right.
yeah, you can always put high cabinets up, but still hanging clothes is a little bit of a challenge.
That was nice.
And you're gonna say, put it under the bed.
Put it under the bed.
That's
I'm close
right.
to you when the bear comes in. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
This
Thank
is-
you
I'm
for
like,
coming by.
I'm gone.
All right. Thank you, guys.
It's always fun.
Wait, I'm in witness relocation.
You love how
That's
that
right.
sounds, that's